Hello everyone and welcome to Aviation A to Z. As you have known from the title that we are going to talk about AME Field and why it is underrated. Am I the only one who thinks about it? Do let me know in a comment section by typing yes if you think so and no if you don't. So without wasting any time, let us get started. Now why this question arises in my mind? Because this is a fact and you can see it everywhere. The pilots and cabin crew do similar hard work like AME and technician do, yet they get more recognition as compared to us. We are not against anyone. It's good they work hard and get recognition. But why are we not getting recognition as they do? The passengers travel in a plane. They know that there are pilots, cabin crew, baggage handler and some ground staff they can see from the windows. But they can hardly know about AME and AMT. There is a small message for those who travels. Without us, the plane cannot lift up from the ground if you have a skilled pilot. Because the AME and technician are those who keep it airworthy and maintains it to a standard. AME do all the dirty works, that is, they get their hands on every task. They take bath in fuel. They put their hands in grease and lubricants of all types which can be poisonous for them. Yet they get less pay and recognition. Why is that? AME and technician work day and night like pilots and other aviation personnel do. Yet they get less recognition. Now question arises how we can upgrade ourselves and get more recognition in general public. You must have seen our video on world's first aircraft maintenance engineer or technician, Charles Edward Taylor. He worked really hard, even invented the engine for Wright's flyer. And even maintained and repaired the plane when brothers failed and hard landed the plane. But yet, Charles Taylor was not recognized as Wright brothers. So what all of you and I can do? We are going to start a real AME and AMT series in which we are going to interview a real aircraft maintenance engineer and technician all over the India, and we will be the first YouTube channel in India to do so. We will bring forward the work of AME and AMT to a general public's light. I am already in talk with AME and technicians and some are agreeing to it, but I want you to share this video to as much as possible so that it can reach a real AME and technician. And I am inviting all of you to come forward and message us and write us an email, and all the details are in description down below. You can WhatsApp us, you can email us, and we will set a time according to your convenience and we will think about it. We will upload a summary related to our interviews on Instagram and you can check that out. Now again question arises how it is going to benefit us all. When we share our views and ideas and when we take interview of real person working in real field in different organization, we came to know about the experience, about our future, what it is going to be like. Like this, we also get motivation, learn tips from them, how they got job, importance of logbook in the life of AME, and even salary if they are ready to share. We not only get recognition, but we will learn a new thing from an aircraft maintenance engineer and a technician. I also think there is one more reason why we are underrated. There are many YouTube channels related to pilots and cabin crew and some other aviation personnel. They have good following and good subscribers. We have less channels, less number of channels and has less content related to AME, but yet we have less recognition. It's not like that they have the best stuff and the content. We also share some good knowledge related to our field, yet we are underrated. If you think so, then share this video with all our AME friends and aviation friends, so to aware them about our importance, and do hit a like button if you found this video informative. Share it and subscribe to our channel to never miss our videos. See you in another video. Till then, keep learning, keep watching and stay safe.